Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. Tarang tarang tarang. Today we will solve one interesting questions about make rifles. Okay, make a dictionary containing three major rifles, and this country is rifle rune strokes, one key value per McD like Nile and Egypt. And use loop to print sentence about each rifle, such as the Nile runs through Egypt. Egypt. Use a loop to print the name of each rifle included in the dictionary, just using the dictionary in river, and then use the print the name of it. I think this is like more easier. But somehow I didn't know about the rivers in the country. So just yeah, I wanna add some dictionaries. I mean like rivers maybe, and then but this Nile and Egypt. Nile, Egypt, A, no, Egypt, and then I forget. And then what the meaning? Ganga? No, Ganga, is it true? In India. And then I'm sorry. And then Are, is it true? In Swiss. Then use to look to print a sentence about its rival, such as Neil run through the Egypt. So how to make a sentence about each rival and the country. So just using same like using before. You just not using like k value. I think you must changes. You try to changes like for k, the k is the arriver, and then country in reverse, and then reverse, because the reverse is the meaning is in dictionary, and that forget to items, and then print, then using f, the what meaning, the the Ganga runs through Egypt. The Nile runs through Egypt. So I think maybe this is, don't forget to add the reverse, because this is the reverse dot title to add title. Is it true? But let's try it. True the what the meaning country. Is it true? Let's try country the title. I forget. Is it true or not? Let's try. Yeah, let's try. Patent 3 5 first to pay. No, is it not true? Because I think this is title here. Yeah, I forget. Okay, and then this is title. That is it. Okay, good. The first one, using loop to print the all of the name rifles and the country. And then use loop to print the name of each rifles included in the dictionary. Just using loop to print each rifle. So it's very easy for us for reverse. because yeah, I think I wanna add in the first dot item, and then you just print what the meaning river. It's make easy. It's easy. Nil Egypt. No, but you must using case because it is K. River and the title. True? So, how to uh how to print this? Is it true if just you be use what the meaning the country? Because right first in the right first and then K and this is country. Is it true? Let's try. Nay, not true because okay. How to solve this? How to just print the country, not a rifles because this is not true. Not true. The output is not what I expecting. So I wanna add this is because the for country and the rivers, the print is just only the rivers, not the country. So you must add that is dot value. And then is it true? And then you just add the output. No, so values, not values. Sorry, values. Then you just total S. Okay, so done. You must get the output Egypt in the answers. Okay. Oh, I see. I understand. I'm sorry. Somehow I didn't understand, but if I trying doing it, then I understand. So if you expect that this is using case, and then you add the case. I see. The same, but somehow it is much more easier to read because the K is here and here Nil Anga Ganga and R are are, and then the country is value. So the output is will be okay. Then don't forget to add to your GitHub git status. Okay. What is rifles? Rifles in country. Okay. Let's try another question. Bye.